Let's learn together. Ready? It's important. Murtesada, it's simple. Salfada, it's difficult. Rakkisada, it's amazing. Dinchisisada, it's dangerous. Sodachisada, great job. Let's practice together. Ready? Don't be silly. Gawahintain, that's funny. Kofchisada, that's amazing. Namadinkisisa, I'll come back later. Bodanandibia. Let's start. Ready? Drive. Ofu. Wait. Egachu. Need. Barbadu. Want. Fedhu. Give. Kennu. Take. Fudachu. Nice job. Let's learn together. Ready? Start. Jalkabu. Finish. Sumuru. Think. Yadu. Remember. Yadachu. Forget. Dagachu. Play. Tapachu. Let's learn together. Ready? I'm tired. Dada bejra. I'm hungry. Belaira. I'm thirsty. Debo dejra. I'm happy. Gamadera. I'm sad. Gadinjra.
Let's begin. Money. Maallaqa. Phone. Bilbila. Car. Konkolata. Road. Daandi. Market. Gaba. School. Manabarumsa. Excellent work.
What is this? Kun Ma'al, where are you? Esa jirtu, when are you coming? Yom dufu, why? Ma'alif, these short questions are useful in everyday conversation in English and afaan oromoo. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time here.
What happened? Ma'al tuta'e? Nothing. Homa miti. It's okay. Tole, I like it. Naga machisa, I don't like it. Nahinga machisu. Got it? Great.
Which one do you want? Kamisi barbachisa? Which way? Karakam? Which book is yours? Kitaba kam tuketti. Got it? Great. See you next lesson.
Clean. Kulkullu. Dirty. Zura'a. Heavy. Ulfa'ata. Light. Salfa. Full. Gutu. Empty. Duwa. Good job. Keep practicing and see you next time in Takomia Studio.
Let's learn the weather words. Ready? Storm. Bubbe jabba. Hot weather. Lensa ho'a. Cold weather. Lensa gabbana. Dry season. Bonna. Rainy season. Ganna. Excellent. Keep practicing. Ready? Forget. Iranfatu. Remember. Yadachu. Choose. Filachu. Win. Mo'u. Lose. Mo'amu. Or dabu. Visit. Dawachu. Great job. Keep practicing and see you next time in Takomia.
Let's learn together. Ready? Up, all, down, gadi, inside, kessa, outside, ala, front, fuldura, back, dubba. Great job.
Let's learn some direction words together. This one is north, Kaaba, south, Kibba, east, Baha, west, Liksa. Go straight, Kallati Demi. Turn left, Garabit.
Big. Gudda. Small. Chqa. Tall. Dara'a. Short. Gababa'a. Hot. Ho'a. Cold. Qabana'a. New. Harawa. Old. Dulluma.
First word. Easy. In afaan oromoo we say salfa. Hard. Rakkisa. Happy. Gammade. Sad. Gadde. Tired. Dadhabi. That's today's quick lesson from Takomia Studio by Lensa. First word. Easy. In afaan oromoo we say salfa. Hard. Rakkisa. Happy. Gammade. Sad. Gadde. Tired. Dadhabi. That's today's quick lesson from Takomia Studio by Lensa.
First word. Brave. In afaan oromoo we say guuta. Quiet. Kallise. Loud. Sagale gudda. Soft. Lafa. And hard, Jaba. That's today's quick lesson from Takomia Studio. Galatoma.
First word, no. In afaan oromoo we say biku, learn, barachu, teach, barsisu, wait, egu, and call, bilbilu, or you can say wamu. That's today's quick lesson from Takomia Studio by Nura Ali.
Our first word is cut. In afaan oromoo we say muru. Cook, bilchesu, wash, dikachu, drive, ofu, live, jirachu. That's today's quick lesson from Takomia Studio by Sami. Galatuma.